I see you. There's nowhere left to run. You lock the doors, you pull down every blind, but you can't run from what's inside your mind. I'm the shadow stretching down the hall. I'm the whisper coming through the wall. You think you're safe inside your little bed, but I'm the nightmare living in your head. Yeah, I see every dirty secret that you keep. I'm standing right beside you while you sleep. I am the devil and I'm watching you, motherfucker. There's nowhere left to hide, running out of luck. Yeah, you played the game, you crossed the final line. I signed the dotted line. Your soul is mine. Your soul is gonna burn forever in the flames of hellfire. Yeah, I'm the reaper in the dark. Your soul is mine. I smelled the fear the moment that you woke. I am the fire hiding in the smoke. Every step you take, I'm right behind. The darkest entity that you could ever find. Don't bother praying, no one hears a call. I'm the only one who's gonna catch you when you fall. Into the pit, into the boiling heat. I've got the chains ready for you, please. I am the devil and I'm watching you, motherfucker. There's nowhere left to hide, running out of luck. Yeah, you played the game, you crossed the final line. I'll sign the dotted line. Your soul is mine. Your soul is gonna burn forever in the flames of hellfire. Yeah, I'm the reaper in the dark, and your soul is mine. I count the minutes ticking down the clock. You hear the turning of the heavy lock. There is no heaven waiting in the sky. Just me smiling, watching as you cry. Give up the ghost, give up the fight. I'm dragging you into the endless night. Forever. Flames of hellfire. I'm watching you. Every move you make. I am the devil. Your soul is gonna burn forever in the flames of hellfire. Your soul